How to get rid of a white tongue. When your tongue turns white all over or in patches, it is referred to as a furry tongue. This condition is usually a common occurrence. Most often, chances are that your entire tongue is coated white or there are white patches appeared all over it. While there is nothing to worry about in case you have a furry tongue, sometimes it could be hinting at an underlying infection or even early cancer. Baking soda. The alkaline nature of baking soda can help in neutralizing the acids in your mouth, thus restoring its pH. This has an antimicrobial effect on the oral pathogens and can help in their elimination, thus creating a white tongue. Probiotic yogurt. Probiotic yogurt contains beneficial cultures of L. acidophilus and B. lactis. These can help combat the trouble-causing oral pathogens like bacteria and fungi that may be responsible for the development of white patches on your tongue. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin that has antimicrobial properties. Curcumin prevents the growth of oral pathogens in your mouth and also promotes your oral health, thereby helping in getting rid of a white tongue. Sea salt. Sea salt is another great remedy for treating a white tongue. It is naturally antiseptic, antibacterial and exfoliating and can help alleviate oral problems that could be triggering the condition. Brush your tongue twice daily for best result. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These properties can help treat oral conditions like oral lichen planus that could be responsible for the development of a white tongue. Switch a tablespoon of aloe vera juice in your mouth for a few minutes and then spit it out. Do this 2 to 3 times daily for best results.